Yeah, mama people. So this are the plan, you know. See the meat of choice, yeah. But you can't tell me about this. Stingray. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we are gonna try it today. I got French fry it. I just fry it up. So see meat there on it. So no bone in it, I just pure cartilage. So just I cut it in some thin strip. Alright. And then we just I go season it up and fry it. Alright, so there's a cartilage in the center. As I say, I have no bone. So I have to know if cut through cartilage. See there? See the meat look? Look like any other type of fish. Alright, so my people now put in the stingray now, you know. Come on people. I gotta see how it go. Yeah man, my people, so I give it a turn, you know. Night come down for me, you know, my people, but I go give it a turn, you know, and show you what's going on. Yeah, man, it smells good. I hope it tastes as good as how it smells. Yeah man, French fries stingray. Yeah my people. So catch me when we I'll check it to take it out. Yeah, so and look at him can come out now people. Now I bun them up. As I say, I guess it's fry like any other fish. So I now overcook them. So I take them out here now. Take them out here now. See there? No, it's not true. Yeah man. Alright people, so
These are the texture of the Stingray, you know. So the texture. Alright, so one piece, yeah. That's how the texture look. And this are the section where I no fillet it or nothing. Alright, see it there. Alright. See it there. So the texture is fit, see there? Yeah. So shoot up in your comments if you ever partake of this type of meat before. Yeah man, please remember to like, share and also to subscribe. As we say, our outdoors are the adventure. Yeah man, my people.